Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll want to pick your favorite tea, whether it's a classic black, a refreshing green, or a soothing herbal blend. Next, grab a clean teapot or your favorite mug. Finally, make sure you have fresh, cold water ready to go. These simple steps set the foundation for a delightful cup. Getting the water temperature right is crucial for optimal flavor. For black and most herbal teas, you'll want boiling water, which is about 212 degrees Fahrenheit. However, green and white teas prefer a gentler heat, around 175 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent bitterness. As a general guide, use 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea or 1 tea bag for every 8 ounces of water. Steeping time is where the magic happens, extracting all those wonderful flavors. Black teas generally need 3 to 5 minutes for a full-bodied taste. Green teas are more delicate, usually steeping for just 1 to 3 minutes to avoid any bitterness. Herbal infusions are quite forgiving and can steep for 5 to 7 minutes or even longer for maximum potency. Always adjust to your personal preference. Once your tea has steeped to perfection, it's time to serve and enjoy. Carefully remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaf tea from the water. Now, personalize your brew. Feel free to add milk, sugar, honey, or a slice of lemon if you like. Pour your freshly brewed tea into your favorite cup and take a moment to savor the comforting aroma and delicious taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.